How to fix OneDrive stuck on signing in. So watching your cloud synchronization icon spin endlessly while your critical work assets remain locked out of sync completely stalls your production pipeline. When local encryption tokens or credential caches suffer a authentication collision, Windows hangs indefinitely at the onboarding screen. Today we are deploying a surgical credential vault flush to obliterate the sign-in loop and force your connection online instantly. Okay, so firstly, we strip away the stale authentication tokens, blocking the secure handshake. So move to your desktop taskbar, click on the Start menu search bar, and then type in Credential Manager. You will have this window, and then of course press Enter to launch it. So inside this interface deck, you will see two primary modules. Left-click on the card labeled Windows Credentials, and scroll down this list of generic security definitions until you locate the blocks labeled Microsoft Account User, as you can see, and then your particular email address. So just click on the chevron icon, arrow to expand that parameter data group, and click the link labeled Remove right over here. Then click Yes on the confirmation warning to securely erase the corrupted login credentials and keys from your OS storage. And then, just like I said in previous videos, just go ahead and grab this amazing piece of software called OneDrive. It's pretty much a Windows search that's extremely fast. Then you just go ahead and type in onedrive.exe, find it, right-click it, copy as path, then click on Windows plus R so that this run command will pop up. Then go here, remove the quotation marks from both sides. After the E letter on the last word or the last symbol, press space once and then type /reset. Okay, so this is going to be our very last step. Okay, and then guys, you just go ahead and press OK. And now you will see that my window will load up, as you can see. So if your window with your personal folder in Explorer pops up, that means everything worked. And yeah, you're now back into syncing, and your files are ready to be used and you can work with them. So your cloud desktop directories are now completely unblocked, authenticated, and running at maximum transfer speeds. As always guys, if you like our tutorials, like and subscribe.